everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on GOMORA from the 13th to the 17th of February 2023 on Monday. Ntokozo is forced to meet the real Mazet and it freaked him out. Sibongile has a humble request about the metric dance date on Tuesday. Teddy thinks of a way to make Chiamo feel special. Sibongile has a dilemma with a growing bump. Zibugo discovers MK is softer than he realizes on Wednesday. Detective Nabe encouraged ladies to get Ntokozo to make a statement. Chiamo tells Teddy to ask her properly to be his girlfriend. Sondo reports to Pretty on Tati's condition on Thursday. MK is triggered when Mazet rubs a mark in her face. Zodwa meet temptation in a single whiff of bottle. DJ Aura has an idea to save Teddy and Chiamo's job on Friday. Het Mazet bemoans how unloved she is to Pretty. Sibongile tried to convince herself that Skara will stand the test of time. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.